Okay, first thing, I want you to understand this equation. Is it new to you? No, Okay, follow the story, It's very simple one if you follow. Now, for this, if I want to solve, can you highlight solve and write down the meaning of solve? Solve means I want to find out x equals to triangle or x equals to star. I want to find out the value of x. Simple or not? Simple, I have a few methods. First method is called factorization. That means you write down something equals 0. Are you writing? The second one, completing the square. That means something square plus minus something, right? Complete the square. Yeah, I zoom in. Of course, I have the third one, quadratic formula. So this, can you write down, this is given in AMAX exam. Can you write down in red? This is not given in EMAX exam. So if I were you, just memorize. Don't go and think. Go and memorize. But you won't be. I don't want you to be shocked. How come AMAX got give? AMAX got give. Because AMAX got many other formulas to remember. So this one they give you Alright. Now, can you write down this also fall under mode 3.3 for you to check? Did I go through quadratic? Did I go through graphical solution? Really? No. So this one I will go through soon in EMAX. Actually, in Sec 2 you learn. Currently, Sec 2 Chapter 2 is learning this. They never change. You do it before. This one is draw on graph paper. Can you write down graph paper? But we are not doing this today. I'm showing you these are the ways you can do. Okay. No. I mean, common test or graph? Wait. Okay, what I'm telling you is this. I'm telling you this one are the 4 methods. But some are actually learned in EMAX. Some are actually learned in Sec 2. Okay? Right. So now, case number 1. Can you try to find the root? Can we use quadratic formula? Can you write down what is A equals to B equals to C equals to? Can you write down the X equals to minus B? I want to see this number. Start. A is equals to 1, B 3, C 2. I want you to press calculator and tell me this is -3, this is just 2. I want to know the number in the box. One. So what's the answer? -3 plus 1 over 2 or -3 minus 1 over 2, because square root 1 is 1. How many roots do you see? 2. So can you circle the root? This is first root. This is second root. Okay? Now, so what's the B square minus 4AC? 1. What's the number of roots? 2. 2 roots. That means 2 value of X. Can I pause the screen here? And you help me write down this. Square root what number? Fill in this blank. And I want to know what are the roots for case 2 and case 3. Now you start. Here, Jian Yang, can you help me? If I have plus minus 0, That means I have what? 6 plus 0 over 2 or 6 minus 0 over 2. Is it the same? Huh? Different ah? Same. So can I don't write? Does it make sense? 就一样, does it make sense? Because 6 plus 0 is what? 就一样, what is 6 plus 0? 6. What is 6 minus 0? 6. Can you write, right? Okay. So how many roots do I have? Okay, I come to you. Isa, can you write down this? Number of roots refer to the number of value of x. Isa, number of root means number of value of x. So in this case, how many roots do I have? I only have 1. There isn't a minus anything. Oh, why not? Because 6 minus 0 is the same. Good question. Okay, Isabel, can you try with me? Or 6 minus 0 over 2. So what is the answer? 6 plus 0 over 2 is what? 3. Because 6 plus 0 is 6. 6 over 2 is 3. What about the other one? 3. Same. It's the same. It's 1. I help you. Can everyone look at this? Last one to look up is Charlie. Now look at this. 3 or 3, right? Number of root is 1, right? Can you put a comma? And write down? Or you can say 2 same repeated roots. Because technically 1 is wrong. Because really I got 2, right? But these 2 what is so special? They happen to be the same what? Root. They happen to be the same number. Okay? So you are not comfortable with 1, you can write down 2 same repeated. Repeated because same and repeated is the same thing. I want to emphasize on the word they are the same. So it's not 2 different, it's 2 same roots. Alright, now are you okay? Now, can you look at case number 3 now? So you notice that in this case, if this is minus 3, there is no roots. Not 0, but no roots. Not 0, but no roots. Yeah, right? Because no solution. You press calculator, square root negative 3 give you error. Now, can you do a summary now? Do you notice that the quadratic equation has how many roots? This one we will rewrite together. If b squared minus 4ac is more than 0, this is case number 1. Do you follow case number 1? Case number 1, how many roots do we have? 2. Can you write down? 2 distinct roots. Two distinct real roots. The word real is extra for O level. Because O level everything is real. In JC then you will see imaginary number. Okay? Can. Now if equal to 0, can you write down 2 repeated real roots. And this is your case number 2. Can you write down? If less than 0, no real roots. Or in short, it's just no roots. No roots. Again, the real is just not important in your syllabus. Okay, this one very simple. Can everyone help me to use different color for this? Number 1, draw the axis. Can you copy and paste all the axes? Can you copy and paste all the axes? If you are perfectionist, then you write down all the y and x. Okay? Now, can I zoom in one by one to show you how it looks like? 好不好？可以吗？可以啊。Now, can I start with the first one? Now, the first one, what is the highlight? The highlight is D is more than 0. Can you take out your blue pen and write down D means B square minus 4AC more than 0. Okay? Now, I'm going to show you the first one is called A more than 0. A stands for what? A stands for the value in front of x squared. Do you still remember SILT? A will determine the what? Shape. If A is more than 0, is it a maximum or minimum? Minimum. Can you write down? Minimum means a U-shaped graph. So this one means U-shape. This one means what? N-shape. Do you remember? Now we start. Now the first graph, can you help me draw like that? Can you help me indicate this is first root? This is second root. Okay, this one copying, copying. Just copy, put a cross, Okay. Later on, I will use Desmos if I have time to show you what I mean. Okay. Now, the second one, equal to 0 means B square minus 4AC is equal to 0. For this kind of graph, same thing. The U looks like that. Or the U look like that. Is this okay? Can I throw up? Can I check the first case all done already? Yes. I scroll, no one shout, that means done. Last me one. Okay. Huh? Now third one. Third one means B square minus 4AC less than 0. This is how it looks like. It looks like that. That means what? No roots, because they don't touch the x-axis. What about the other one? Like that. Okay? I cannot put on top. Why I put on top, it will touch 2 times. Okay? Now, can you write down? This is root are real. That means is B square minus 4AC more than or equal to 0. This one means either it is 1 either is 2 repeated roots or 2 distinct roots. Can I summarize now? The first one is actually case number 1. The second one is actually case number 2. The third one is case number 3. What about the fourth one? Is case 1 or case 2? Do you follow? Do you follow? Next week when I come back, can I go through the Desmos with you? I show you how the graph look like. Why is it like that? And last 1 minute, can I show you my